We can fit 94 samples per run.
Stephanie Huden earned her PhD in biomolecular sciences at Boise State.
Do athletics this time.
Now she runs BSU's first ever clinical lab.
The investment that the university made to get the lab up and running really has given us an opportunity to keep our population safe.
Boise State chose a sensitive molecular COVID-19 test using a process called PCR that can find the virus even if people don't have symptoms.
We're often testing asymptomatic populations and some younger adults who may not have symptoms that cause alarm.
Helping Boise State test all their students who live in dorms, their faculty and staff, and the lab also plays a huge role in allowing the Broncos to play on the blue.
We've even been able to put a few fans in the football stadiums after testing.
Touchdown, Broncos!
The RNA virus is a charged molecule.
Testing starts with removing the RNA. Then they search for 3 different targets of COVID using fluorescent probes.
This is Miranda, and she is setting up a PCR right now.
And if they find 2, that means a positive result.
So it's kind of interesting. We can actually usually tell what stage of infection someone's in by how early we start to see the curves come up over here. So this is a person who's negative, and then these are the 3 fluorophores for a positive COVID sample. This person will be in quarantine.
Boise State has been able to have in-person learning this fall because of the university's precautions, but also because of this lab that produces same-day or next-day results.
It's actually called a Kingfisher. All right.
And they plan to expand testing moving forward.
So now that the lab is kind of up and running, we actually have increased capacity to start doing community testing.
Steve Dent, Idaho News 6.